Standard 3rd, subject EVS. So students, in the last lecture we have learned part 1. So now we'll be learning the remaining part of this lesson. Lesson number 6, getting to know the place we live in. Part 2. So students, some places have many different history behind their name. And while returning from Surat, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj formed a military base near a village. And he also named Talegaon Dindori in the Nashik district. Since then the village is known as Talegaon, that is taluk based and Gaon village. Similarly, the village Dhamangaon part in the Ahmednagar district got his name from the tree Dhaman which grow in abundant state, and in the Jalna district in Partur Taluka. And there is a village name that is Asti Dhotar Zodeche. And in the olden days, good quality dhotis were made there. And children, though the village came to be known as Asti Dhotar Zodeche. So, students, in the same manner, some villages are known for the great work by the people born in those villages. Shivram Hari Rajguru was the provident revolutionary in the Indian freedom struggle, and he was born in the village named Khed in Pune district after completing his primary education. Rajguru went to Amravati. There he took up the cause of patriotism at the Hanuman Vyamshala. Later on, at the age of 15, he went to Varanasi and learned Sanskrit. Along with the Marathi, he knew many other languages like Sanskrit, Hindi, Urdu, and English. Rajguru, along with Bhagat Singh and Sukhdev, raised the revolution against the British. They murdered a ruthless British officer, and he also was sentenced to death. Therefore, in memory of this murder and its birthplace in Khed is named as Rajguru Nagar. Some places have been named after a person, fruit, flower, animal, bird, water. For example, Vadgaon, Pimpalgaon, and Ambegaon. And the manner in which village become famous for its forts and historical places in the similar way. It also becomes famous because of its people and the great work they do. The original name of Singh Gadge Maharaj was Debuji Jingreji Janekar. Its birthplace in Shedgaon village, that is Raipur Taluka in Amravati district of Maharashtra. And through its kirtans, Saint Gadge Maharaj spread awareness amongst the people. He used to say to the people, "You are poor because you don't have any education." He encouraged people to get education. He was recognized as the great saint of 20th century due to his great service to the mankind. And also name of his village is remembered forever. In many villages, there is a practice of weekly market, and also sellers from different villages gather to sell their products in this market. They also make use of bullock carts, trucks, tempos, buses as their means of transportation. Villages are dependent on such a weekly markets to meet their day-to-day needs. In such markets, food grains, vegetables, farming tools, clothes, etc. are available. Because of weekly market, people of neighboring villages get an opportunity to meet one another. There are many types of markets, for example, the flower market, fruit market, and there are also some markets in some places. While buying and selling of donkeys, horses, and other animals take place. Children, places like Jejuri in Pune district and Madi in the Ahmednagar district are famous markets for buying and selling donkeys. And Malegaon in the Nanded district and famous for buying and selling horses and donkeys. Such this give a village a different identity. So children, now let us remember what we have learned in this lesson. First, many settlements merged together and formed a village. Second, with the discovery of farming, men's works increased. Third, some places are known for their historical buildings. Fourth, a place becomes famous for the work of great people born there. Fifth, villagers get their day to day requirements in the weekly markets. Thank you.